This is a CNC high-precision handle door aluminum profile, which is installed on doors, windows or drawers, and is easy to open and close by hand. It is a door handle raw material aluminum profile blanks. Now working on CNC processing. Adding the customized fixture. The size precision can reach plus or minus 0.02 mm tolerance. Now the Précis CNC door handle is on processing. You can see CNC machining of semi-finished products were completed. Then additional reprocessing. Finally, product processing is finished. Let's appreciate our results. It's a pull or manipulate, open, close, hang, appliances. We can provide all kinds of surface treatments such as anodizing, sandblasting, anodized silver, natural color, anodized frosted, bright, wire drawing, power coating and etc. There are many colors to choose, like golden, bronze, wood grain, champagne, black and others.